guys, Mama and Baba want to see the volcano.
It's gonna be very nice.
That's gonna be very good. First thing first,
Baking soda.
put a little bit here. Enough powder. No. And this, okay. Citric acid and put it from there.
Little bit.
I need to do it.
It's okay. خلاص.
Now first thing first.
Little bit water.
Okay, the little bit water.
Too much you put citric acid.
Okay, the next one is this one. So the
Little bit.
What?
Be careful, little bit.
Only the little bit here. And like this. Little more. Ta-da!
Whoa. So nice. Again.
We need more water.
No.
We need to try again.
No.
Put more. And that was so cool.
Wow.
And the next one.
Again.
Okay.
This is the last time.
And
Put a little bit water.
okay.
Water.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Put
We need more.
little bit.
Okay. Beep. Huh? Again there.
You put too much.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Sorry. But it's okay. Enough.
But
Okay, now we're gonna clean it. Give us a second.